In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create list in Aweber. Start by signing into your Aweber account and going to your main dashboard. From here, you will use the quick menu to move faster instead of clicking through multiple pages. Click the quick menu, then type Create List into the search field. As you type, you should see relevant options appear. Choose the option labeled Create New List to begin the setup process. Now Aweber will ask for a few business details that help identify your emails and keep your account compliant. Enter your company name and your website. Use the public name and website you want subscribers to recognize. If you do not have a full website, use the most relevant web page you want associated with your brand. Next, select or enter your sender address. This is the physical mailing address that appears in your email footer. It is required for email compliance and helps subscribers trust that your messages are coming from a real organization. Make sure the address is accurate and formatted correctly. Once that looks good, click Next Step to continue. On the next screen, you will name your list and add a short description. The list name is usually internal, so choose something clear that helps you identify it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple lists. The description is also important because it reminds you and your team what the list is for, such as a newsletter, product updates, or a specific lead magnet. Keep it brief but specific so it is easy to understand at a glance. When you are ready, click Next Step again. Finally, you will customize your confirmation message. This is the message subscribers see when they confirm their subscription, and it sets expectations for what they will receive. Use clear language and make sure it matches the tone of your brand. Once you are satisfied with the confirmation message, click Create List to finish. After you create the list, you can begin adding sign-up forms and collecting subscribers using that new list. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.